Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today I am recreating, or at least I did my best, the Jaclyn Hill launch makeup look for her new lip collection. If you didn't see that picture that I am referring to, I am going to put it on the split screen right now. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Veronica, and I would love for you to be part of the Glam Fam. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to, you can hit that post notification bell so you always know when I upload another video. If you already are subscribed, you know I love you with all my heart. Without any further ado, let's insert my intro right now. Let's do this.
I just wanna show you off, I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all?
So as always, I will leave all the products in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. Of course, I've already done my brow. Okay, so we have to have smooth, blurred out skin. So I'm going in with this Maybelline Blur and Smooth Primer, getting it all up in those wrinkles. Then I'm going to pounce it in with my Real Techniques sponge. Then I'm going in with the 24-hour L'Oreal Freshwear foundation. I knew I could get that out. And I'm going to pounce that everywhere, including my neck. This foundation won't budge. I'm going to tap on some powder just like Jaclyn does. That's one of her pro tips. Or even though you don't need it for this foundation, I'm just going to tap it in so that everything just looks so mattified and perfect. Then I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to use it as eyeshadow primer as well. Then I'm going to pounce it in with my mini blender. There we go. Then I'm going to cut my jawline with my Coty Airspun so that way my contour will look chiseled when I add it. Now we're going into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I thought that it was very fitting. I'm using this one shade as my transition shade. Don't forget that I am going to mention all the shades in the description box, so don't stress. So yeah, I'm going back and forth. Now I'm going in with my Morphe M433 crease brush, going with that darker shade just so I can make it look more cat-eyed, just like in the photo shoot photo. There we go. I'm just going to go deep into my crease now. I'm going to take this fluffy Morphe M200 and buff that all out together, even bringing it back and forth, and then I'm going to go into this orangey color because you know how Jaclyn loves her warm outer crease, and then I'm going to go into that. Now I'm going into the cream shade. I am just going to use it as a base because I am going to top deeper lid shade on top. I'm doing this with my Morphe G14. Now I'm just going to take my Morphe M433 and blend everything out so there's no lines where I laid that whiter or lighter color. Just like so. There's an up close so you can see how beautifully this is turning out. The trick is blending. Now I'm going to go over it with that very black, but I'm patting ever so gently. I just want to give a little depth and a gradient effect. I don't want black very harsh. Then I'm taking this taupey steel bronzy shade and throwing that all over the lid. That's why I put that light color on before, so that this color would definitely pop. Then I'm going to do my Browbone with her lightest shade, and yeah, and my inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm taking this shiny white pencil, and it's so creamy, and I'm going to put it in my waterline just as Jaclyn had in the photo shoot. And then I'm going to take this Milani liquid liner pen. This is by far the best liner pen, especially if you're a beginner. Then I'm going to mix these shades right here and go under my waterline with my M433 by Morphe. You know Jaclyn loves doing that tip. Then I'm taking my Morphe M483 and dusting off all that powder. Then I'm going into the Morphe bronzer, which is called Blogger. I am living for this bronzer. I'm going to take it down my jawline so my face looks slimmer. Then I'm going to act the fool. Then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Peach blush just to soften up. I noticed that in the photo, her contour wasn't too harsh, and it never is. It's always perfect. Then I'm going to go with this Fenty matchstick and just highlight so that my powder highlight will even look more poppin'. Now we're taking this out and dusting off the cobwebs. This is the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit by ABH, and I'm going to take the lightest shade and I am going to highlight my cheekbones just like Jaclyn. Then I'm going to take my beauty sponge, the booty side of it, and put some rose water on it by Bedescu, and that'll make it just look more natural, and it's perfect. Yes. Then I'm going to just put that little highlight on my nose, and this is a winner. I love this, guys. Now I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs mascara in black on the upper and lower lash line. And then I'm going to line my lips with this lighter Wet n Wild pencil, only because I have a trick. I did that trick because when you add a lighter lip liner, what I did was I applied the lighter lip liner first, and then I applied the darker lip liner over it to make my lips appear more fuller. Now I'm going to go in with the two lips that I chose. So I'm going in with the Mega Slicks Wet n Wild Balm Stain Moisturizing Lip Color. I'm going to go ahead and put that on first. This is going to give me that nude AF kind of dupe for her new collection. And it's also going to match, to the best of my ability, the launch shoot photo. I'm going to bring it as close to that upper lip line as possible. These, don't sleep on these. These have such a creamy consistency. Again, this is the Balm Stain Mega Slicks by Wet n Wild. Does this have a color? This is color 129 Nudist Colony. Right in that same whole genre, like, you know, so Nude AF, Nudist Colony. I'm just trying to copy the launch picture. This is not a dupe video. Let's see what happens when I go in on top of this. Maybe I'll put it on the sides. This is one of my other favorite nude lipsticks. This is Maybelline's 920 Nude Lust. Okay, I'm going to put my hair on. I'll be right back. This is the finished look, guys. I hope you love it. We got the bling bling on, all minus the tan lines and that bra strap. Anyways, I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Sound off in the comment section below if you're getting any of Jaclyn's nude lip. Which ones? All right, I love you guys. You mean the world to me. I'm out. Peace.